In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Assassin's Creed Revolutions. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install this AC or Legacy outfit. This is going to replace all outfits in the tailor shop. Download the mod and download this Avil toolkit. This is required to install the mod. Once you downloaded these two mods, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Extract the outfit mod as well. Open the Avil toolkit and open the application. Select download and runtime is required to run this Avil toolkit. So install this runtime. Once the installation done, open the Avil toolkit application. And here you need to double click on the game evolutions. So it's red game folder not found. Select yes option and path to executable. Click on the three dot icon and navigate to the game folder. Select the game exe and select open option. Once you're done, select OK. Double click on the revolutions. Game file list not found. Do you want to download it now? Select the yes option. And once this done, in the game folder, scroll down. You're able to see data pc.forge. Go back to downloads and open the outfit mod. Open data pc.forge. And make this minimize. Right click on the data pc.forge and select unpack option. Then drop these files inside the data pc forge. Once you're done, go back and open data pc underscore extra.forge and minimize this. Select this up arrow icon and right click on the data pc.forge and select a repack option. Once this done, select this back icon. Scroll down and find data pc underscore extra.forge. Right click and select the unpack option. Data pc underscore extra, then drop all these files inside the data pc underscore extra forge. Once this done, select this up arrow, right click on the data pc underscore extra forge and select repack option. Once this done, you can now just close stuff. Here we have successfully installed the mod. Launch the game. Once you are in game, go to tailor shop and press the shift key to shop to dry cloths. And as you can see, all clouds are replaced successfully. The mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.